During my education as food scientist, I heard quite some people argue this is how you make the perfect fondue and which ingredients would influence the rheology of fondue. But when I looked up some literature, I realized there actually hasn't been any scientific investigation of this topic. Fondue is what we would call a complex multi-phase system, so it contains fat, water and also some protein which is dispersed. And it is often difficult to assess the rheology of such multi-phase systems. And we used a special rheological geometry, the so-called ball measuring system, which is often employed to simulate, for example, landslides, with quite satisfying results. We first investigated the effect of starch concentration, and we saw that we need a minimum of 3 weight% starch in relation to the water content to prevent irreversible phase separation of the fondue. In a second step, we mimicked the addition of wine by adding pure alcohol and lower the pH, so put more acid in the fondue. And we saw that alcohol decreases the fondue viscosity, and fondue has the minimum viscosity at the isoelectric point of casein, which is roughly 4.7. Such multi-phase systems are processed in the food and other industries on a daily basis without actually knowing their flow behavior. So we think that this investigation could help to improve the development of new products, processes or entire product lines.